Good Thursday morning. It is going to be a beautiful start to the day. It will be beautiful until late this afternoon, more likely this evening and overnight, where we get rain. We need the rain. Continue to be in a severe drought according to the drought monitor, which we'll look at here at the end. And then we will be chilly tomorrow. Still some showers around. Highs only in the low 60s. It's pretty cold for this time of year. Tomorrow night we get into the low 40s. That's also really chilly for this time of year. But we start to warm up on Saturday. Saturday looks beautiful. Highs near 70, so a little bit chilly, but not cold. For this time of year, that's pretty much normal. And then we go above normal on Mother's Day. So don't forget, Mother's Day is on Sunday. Make sure you treat your mom well, or your loved ones well. Anyway, and then we go into early next week. We'll start off dry, but then by Tuesday, rain moves back into the picture. Now it looks like it could be some good, welcome rain. So maybe over the next 7 days, we can get as much as 2 inches of rain. Excellent for the drought we've had, between 2 and 3 inches. A lot of people over the last 5 days or 6 days. And now we go into the next 7 days and we can have another 2 inches. That would be excellent. I'll show that outlook. We'll hope it comes true, because sometimes, as we approach events, it's not quite as much. So as we go through the day, we see that the clouds will increase. We'll get a chance. We'll have a marginal chance of a maybe U.S. severe storm today. Not really think it will really equate or end up being that. But some showers and storms into the overnight, into the early Friday, with this low kind of forming along the front, which we really need these types of scenarios and setups in order to get more rain into the area. Now, this is a colder pool of air that comes into us, so on Saturday it will be chilly, a little bit breezy through the day. Highs will get up near 70 degrees. Cooler tomorrow, like I said, and then warmer on Saturday, but still right around or a little bit below normal. And then we go above normal by Sunday as temperatures start to rebound and we get a better return flow of southerly winds moving in the area and less of an influence of that low that's moving out over New England. And so winds will die off. It'll be a much cleaner, cooler, nice day. Then we're going to watch what happens with this low to the south, and we can only hope that we will see an increase in the temperatures and the rain chances, less on temperatures. If this happens and this low moves up the coast, then we'll see rain increase and we will get another chance for some accumulation of rain, which is nice. And then maybe some more unsettled weather later in the week. And then moving into next weekend. So we'll have to see. Once we get this far off, exact timing and exact weather, it's hard to say. It looks like it could be another beautiful weekend, but we're really teetering close to rain at times. So we'll have to see from that. And then beyond that, we'll just have to watch and see what comes of the temperatures. All right. So what are we looking at as far as temperatures go for the next couple of days? Today we're at or a little bit above normal. We'll be in the 70s throughout the day. So that's a really nice temperature. Then tomorrow we really cool off as we get cloudy. So we're showing below normal temperatures. And there's a real cool down as we head through the day. And look at that, as much as 15 degrees below normal into tomorrow night. And then Saturday we start off really below normal. And we are about 5 to 10 degrees below normal on Saturday, but things start to try to warm up as the day goes on. So it won't be that cold or colder than normal. And then by Sunday, we immediately start to see warmth start to return. Not super big warm up initially. And then this is that low pressure to our south that could come up in here next week. And with, of course, the clouds and the rain and stuff, bringing the temperatures back down as it moves through. But in general, we're looking now, close to normal to a little bit above normal as average after we get through a little bit cooler than normal, temperature-wise. And then as we go into next weekend, it looks not, it doesn't look bad at all. So we hope we get rain tonight and we get rain on Tuesday into Wednesday. And if we do, that's great. It'll set us up for, unfortunately, then another dry spell, but at least we'll be preceded by some good rain overall. So what is the forecast looking like for the rainfall over the next 7 days? Pretty good, shot at some good rain. So if we go local here and look in our area, I'll try to wrap this up really quick. This is through the next 24 hours, maybe a half to as much as an inch. So that's nice. And then as we go into next week with that follow-up low pressure, the combination of both, another inch or so of rain could bring us up to 2 inches of rain. We'll have to see if this comes true. Again, still too early to know for sure. All right, now let's look at the drought monitor really quick and we'll be done. All right, the drought monitor, again, this is measuring rain through 8 a.m. on Tuesday of this week. We're still remain in a severe drought in the entire county. I do think the extent of the severe drought has slightly lessened, but again, only to be, replaced by a moderate drought. My hope is these next 2 inches gets us to at least one category lower down to moderate versus severe drought in the next thing. After this period, though, I don't see it being super wet, so we do really need to capitalize this next week in getting rainfall. So we'll have to see how that works out. But that's it, and I hope you have a good Thursday. Enjoy the weather, especially early, but watch out for the showers and storms this evening and overnight. Cooler day tomorrow, and then a beautiful weekend. Have a good one.